What's up, everyone? So I'm going to give you my review of the Powerstop Evolution Z23 brake kit for my 2009 Dodge Charger RT with the road and track and the upgraded police package rear brakes. So this is a follow-up of sorts to the unboxing of the kit. I installed the kit right before I went on about an 850 mile round trip road trip. And I wanted to get them on and get them broken in so that I could really experience the braking and give you guys an idea of what's different about them, what's good or bad, versus the previous brakes I had on there, which were centric disc that were drilled with centric posi quiet, the brake pads. And I also bled my brakes with new brake fluid. So, impressions of the brakes. Well, fit and finish is excellent. Really like the way they look. They look much better than the rotors that came off of there that were peeling and frankly just were over drilled. It's the best way I can describe it, which I think leads to early warpage. So I did have some pulsating going on at harder braking. I had a lot of squealing going on. When I initially put my foot on the brake, I'd get a lot of squealing. So no more pulsing, no more squealing. One thing I have noticed about these as far as pedal feel goes or brake feel goes is that these are much more linear. So whereas the old brakes, you had a lot of nothing and then all of a sudden they got grabby, these are very modular. So you can moderate them and you can feel the linear stopping in them. So obviously the harder you press, the harder they're going to stop. And I like that. So you really feel like they're, I don't know, you just feel like you're controlling the braking a lot more than before where it was either on or off. So far as brake dust and all that goes, I haven't really noticed anything as far as whether it's worse or better. Again, I haven't had them on that long. I mean, I was on a road trip, but it was a lot of highway, so it wasn't a lot of extreme, braking. But so far, so good. I haven't noticed any odd noises from the slots. I know I've had slotted rotors in the past, and I have noticed in the past applications that you get a lot of the clink, clink, clink noise. I'm not experiencing that at all with these, so that's a good thing. I did break the brakes in after installation, and so I followed the instructions exactly, and everything's been great. So yeah, there's been no, I can't find any negatives about this brake kit at all. I think as far as braking performance goes, I'd say they would, they might, brake a little better. But, I mean, let's be honest here, a lot of this is, a looks upgrade. So, I like the way that they look a lot. And, like I said, the wheels really kind of showcase the way they look. So I'm really happy with all of that. Really nothing negative to say about it at all. If anything, very positive feelings about the way everything was packaged and shipped. And the kit was complete, and really just very happy with the way they provided you with the anti-squeal lube and those rubber top hats for the flow pin. Everything really just it is a true complete kit. It's nice to not have squealing. It's nice to not have pulsating. It's nice to have just quiet, good braking. It really does change the feel of the car. It makes it feel like a newer car because the braking is better, and just very happy with it. So before I ramble more than I already have, that is my review. I highly suggest the Powerstop Z23s if you're looking to upgrade your brakes. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos. So until then, peace out.